We don't see stuff like this back home. That is freaking insane. What the hell? B16A, OE plus, nothing too fancy. Got a header right here. Fancy radiator hoses, stock airbox. Dude, this wheel color, I was about to buy this instead of buying another set of whites, but they didn't have the right size for me. So when I go back home, I'm gonna buy another set. Integra Type R, or popularly known as RSX back home. RPF ones. I'm gonna see the engine setup on this guy real quick. It should be pretty fresh. Ooh, simple. That's crazy, huh? Like most of the cars here, very OE plus. Even the stock looking, well, it's a stock airbox with a elbow wagon Accord. Pretty rare. Even at home, it's hard to find.
18 years. Okay. Wow.
What we got? What we got?
Good boy for age.
Ooh. Wow, that's so clean. We got another Integra here, big boy Wang Gang. Look at this. Bro, this thing is huge. Fitment on point. Look at that. This color is so cool though. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a grayish. What color is this? It's a black metallic. It looks good. 33 Type M, I guess. I love the white on white on this thing. Oh, hear that? More people showing up. So we're saying over here is like in Japan, at least what we're seeing right here is a lot of the cars are very OE plus. Nothing too crazy, nothing ridiculous. And you know, if you open this, if you're a cop, you probably won't get in trouble. CRX just pulled up. Dude, these things are pretty rare to find clean these days. Wow. Beautiful. Just beautiful. So this guy just arrived. I can't believe he got his freaking drift car and he towed it to the parking area here. This is so dope, dude. Oh my goodness. So freaking cool, man. They're going all out. And look, it's got a Toyo tire sticker on there. I'm not sure if he has Toyos. Those look like Yokohamas.